friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest flagship device from Huawei, the Huawei P30 Pro with quad cameras, which is in partnership with Leica. So Huawei's flagship smartphones, both in the P series and Mate series, are known for really great cameras in partnership with Leica, and now we have the quad rear camera smartphone with the Leica camera, the Huawei P30 Pro. This is coming to India pretty soon, and we are going to do the unboxing. And this also has one of the best camera smartphones right now you can pick, and this is certified by DxO marks with a really great camera scope. So we're gonna do the unboxing. So this is the box pack we have with us, and the P30 Pro comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. That's the one we have. And in this video we'll do the unboxing, we'll show you the device, we'll talk about the specifications, we'll show you the camera samples, that's the most important part, and we'll also talk about what are the great features of this device. So we have the P30 Pro with the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and we also have the Aurora variant. So Aurora is significant because this denotes the polar lights or the northern lights, which is a natural light display in the sky, and this variant, the Aurora variant, is denoting that color with the dual finishing, the dual tone finishing, and looks really good. So that's the variant which we are going to unbox. So that's all mentioned in the box package. So we don't really know the pricing as of now. So let's just take this device. You can see the quad camera with in partnership with Leica. So let's just take this out. So opening up, you can see the device. So let's just take this out. So that's the P30 Pro with the Aurora color. So let's just take this device out of this cover. So there you go. So you can see that the P30 Pro comes in Aurora color. We have the quad camera setup, the triple camera, and the TOF camera with the dual tone dual LED flash. And we also have the Leica branding, Huawei branding as well, and looks really good. It has a 6.47 inches of full HD plus resolution display, and looks really great in terms of the in-hand feeling. It is made of glass on the back as well as front panel. It has a curved display, and this is a full HD plus resolution display. It looks really great. The bottom panel, you can see that it has USB Type-C port, we have the SIM tray, it has a dual SIM card, and it also has the nano SD card slot, and this has the speaker unit included at the back bottom panel. You also have the antenna bands. The top panel has IR blaster, again the antenna bands, and the right side houses the power and the volume key. You can also see that power key has a small red color included, and the left side does not have any openings or slots, so overall looks really premium. We also have the 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and this device definitely looks gorgeous with the Aurora color. So we'll talk about the design and build quality in a while. So let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see we have a case included. So this is the standard TPU case which is included with the box package. Then you get the 40-watt fast charger. So that's the proprietary Huawei's supercharge. That's a maximum of 40 watt, 10 volt 4 ampere. That's the maximum. You also get 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, and 10 volt 4 ampere. That's the 40 watt supercharger. You also get USB Type-C cable for charging and data syncing, and you also have an USB Type-C earphones included. So this has no headphone jack, so you have to use this Type-C earphones for audio playback. So those are the things available in the box pack. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the P30 Pro. We have unboxed it and we have booted the device. It's 6.47 inches full HD plus resolution display with the small notch, which includes a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now the display quality is a Super AMOLED panel. You can see that the colors are really vibrant, crisp, and offers great viewing angles. The touch response feels very smooth, and the overall the display quality is easily one of the best we have seen for a flagship smartphone. Now we also go to the settings. You can see these settings, and we have all the options. This is a new EMUI 9.1 we can see that there are lots of features to offer. We'll talk about that in detail in our review. So EMUI has been refined, that's what the company claims, and actually we can feel the speed and responsiveness when compared to the Mate 20 Pro. The 9.1 offers a lot of optimizations, and it is actually visible when you use the device. So that's the software. It is on Android 9.0. Now let's talk about the cameras. So this is the most important aspect of the phone. So we have a quad camera on the rear panel. We have a 40 megapixel primary camera, f1.6 aperture, 20 megapixel wide angle camera, 8 megapixel periscope camera that can do 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 50x digital zoom is supported. And it also comes with the TOF 4th camera, which is useful for portrait mode, and it also has a dual LED flash included. So the camera placement and arrangement looks really neat, and you can see that this is the camera module. And we'll also open the camera interface. You can see that the camera interface looks really nice. We have the portrait mode, video recording, pro mode, night mode is included, aperture mode, and a whole lot of features are included. You can see that the amount of modes included is really good. We have slow motion, monochrome, light painting, time lapse, moving picture, underwater. All the features are included on this device. It also comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which can take pretty good selfies as well. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Huawei P30 Pro. We'll talk about the detailed camera reviews soon, so stay tuned for that. We'll be uploading the camera review pretty soon, so wait for our camera review. So here are some samples we have taken, and it has come really impressive in terms of the camera performance. Now finally, talking about the battery life, this phone comes with a 4200 mAh capacity battery, and it should be able to give you almost like 1.5 days of battery life, because the Mate 20 Pro with the Quad HD Plus resolution display gave us almost 1.5 days, and now we have a Full HD Plus resolution display, so it should be able to give you much better battery life than the Mate 20 Pro. So that's something which is really good, and it also has this 40 watt fast charging supported, which makes it even better in terms of the battery performance. Now, apart from that, this device comes with a Kirin 980 octa-core processor, which is a 7nm manufacturing process. It has 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistant capabilities. Again, that is something which you expect from a flagship. So overall, this is one of the really good looking smartphones, and top of the line hardware is being offered by Huawei with the P30 Pro. So the device will go on sale in India pretty soon. We expect around April 15th or mid of April the device will go on sale. So that's the timeline we expect Huawei to launch in India. So we don't know the pricing as of now, so once we get hold of the pricing, we'll update in the comment section. So that is unboxing, hands-on and camera samples of the Huawei P30 Pro, the flagship smartphone with the top of the line hardware and great camera performance. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.